Alright, here we go. Here we go. This is the start of pulling a couch out. Here's a retard that's going to be driving. We're going to pull out. Oh, I got to get a paint can out of the way. I don't want any paint on our shit. This is the door we're coming through. We're going to climb over it to start. Back it in, back it in. Here's the piano. You going through it? Yeah. Alright, here we go. He's going to go through the door. I think we just got... Oh, here we go. I got a good view. Go for it. Alright. He's in. Alright, let's pause it. Whoa, don't do that. Don't do that. Don't do that. Don't do that. Alright.